How's it going, you guys? Rakai here, back at again with another video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys something. Yes, look at this. What happened to the driver's side fender, guys? So it's all damaged now, so what I'm gonna do is replace this with the new one. My driver's side fender is all messed up. Don't ask me how this happened. It just happened, guys. And I'm gonna take that and replace it with the new fender that I bought from a local auto part store. Get a closer look of this one. It's unpainted. Now this job should take like maybe under 30 minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes. Go here. So, yeah, it's all messed up. It's kind of misaligned right here. So this is the before shot, okay, guys. And then I'm gonna show you guys the after shot later on and compare those two. So hopefully this is a perfect fit. It should be a perfect fit. All right, stay in tune. All right, guys, so in order to take this out, you could pull this apart a little bit here. You don't have to take the whole bumper out. And there's the third one right there. So 1, 2, and 3. So it's 10 millimeters, just 3 of them. And then one on top.
You gotta take the cover.
And you have to take this cover out. It could be some here too. Let me check this one. All right. So there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 3 to 4 screws up there, but I'm probably guessing like maybe 2 of them is holding up here. So that one's out. Yep, just pop that out. Okay. See, okay, doesn't look like a screw. And this one just pops out. Don't worry about the noise, it's coming up.
Okay.
Where is it? Okay. So that's it.
It just pushes in. Just a clip.
Just a clip. Let's see. Something there. Do you need to take the whole thing out, or just leave it?
No, you have to fender.
Is there something stuck here?
Something's holding it there. Maybe there's a clip here too. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Put a light there. See? I can't see.
Yeah, there's a clip. It's only a clip.
There it goes.
Yep.
Okay. So this clip holds it in there.
Okay.
Okay. So one. Okay.
Right there.
Okay. That's it. And then we get the two. It's already broken, so we can just kick them out. Okay. That's something up here.
Right here. Right there. Just have to pull it.
And the trim's holding it up there. This trim here.
Wait, hold up. Let me check up here. Wait. Okay. Wait, 1 second. There could be a screw right here. Right here.
Why?
Because there's a hole. I just took it out. See?
Oh yeah, there's one more. Okay. Wait, it could be great. There's probably.
So I think you have to pop this out.
Okay, flashlight बत्ती मारो देखा है. Okay. Different Fender. Yep. There it is. Okay.
Yeah, see? All right. So, as you can see here, it looks like it's double stick tape there that is holding this fender. This is from factory, guys. Go to go. It's still record away.
There you go, voice about everything. Okay, there it goes.
Right.
And then there's a clip, right? But I think there's a clip. This one goes into that hole.
Okay, there's a clip.
Or whatever that is. I don't
Yeah.
know what you call that. Huh?
And it comes out.
It's a good thing we had another. This is the first time we're doing it, so it's a good thing we had another Fender that we're gonna replace it with that had that we could see the holes and stuff on it. So huh?
Yep. Yep. This is Rock High's Fender. If you guys want it, it'll be $200. All right. So this is how it looks like without the fender. If you guys want some weight reduction. So we're taking the side skirt rocker panel out.
So clips there right here.
So this is just the clips. All you need is a flat screwdriver and it pops out. That, and then if you open the door, there's a screw right here. You can just take that out and it comes out. So there's one screw here and another one over there. And then these are the clips that holds the rocker panel side skirts, as you can see here. And this whole thing will come out. Now we're gonna test fit the new fender, see how it lines up. Yep. Pretty good. What do you think? And this one will go in there. All right. Mm-hmm. And you could push this in when you adjust it.
Right there.
See?
This one. Oh.
All the prep work is done for the paint.
That's good, huh?
Yep.
That's here. Okay, pwede ito, no? from the top, the top. Do it, that's what I said. Blue same match, kare. Blue out here.
Yeah.
Matches.
Yep. You can see it from here.
Match.
Yep. Good match.
Yeah. You see?
Maybe because still this one's still wet. Yep, matched. Yep.
Oh, that looks pretty. It's all matched.
Yeah. Yep. One coat, and one clear coat. That's it. Exact match. Looks good. All right, we put it on the car now. All done.